Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Today, we will learn colors in English with simple words and beautiful images. Let's start. First, we have red. Look at this bucket of red paint. It is bright and lovely. Behind the bucket, there are many red roses. They smell nice and look beautiful. Now, let's look at pink. This is a bucket of pink paint. It stands in front of a big field. The field is full of pink flowers. They dance softly in the wind. Next is orange. Here is a bucket of orange paint. In the background, we see an autumn forest. The trees have many orange leaves. They fall gently to the ground. Now we see yellow. This bucket is full of yellow paint. It is placed before a field of yellow sunflowers. The sunflowers are tall and bright, smiling in the sun. Now let's look at green. Here is a bucket of green paint. It is in front of a bright green garden. We see green grass and tall trees all around. Next, we have blue. This bucket is filled with blue paint. In front of it, we have a sky with fluffy white clouds. Below, there is a calm blue lake, shimmering in the sunlight. Now we see light blue. This bucket has light blue paint. It stands in front of soft blue skies. We can see light blue balloons floating happily. Next is dark blue. Look at this bucket of dark blue paint. Behind it, there is a dark ocean. The sky is stormy, and the waves crash against the shore. Now we have purple. Here is a bucket of purple paint. It is in front of a beautiful field full of purple lavender flowers. The flowers smell sweet and gentle. Next is violet. This bucket is filled with violet paint. They look magical. Now we have white. This bucket is full of white paint. It stands in a snowy white background. Snowflakes fall softly around it. Next is black. This bucket is filled with black paint. The background is dark. It has black feathers and shadows that create a mysterious scene. Now let's look at gray. Here is a bucket of gray paint. It stands in front of a rainy, cloudy sky. The soft gray tones show that it is a rainy day. Next is brown. This bucket is filled with brown paint. It is in front of forest floor. The ground is covered with brown leaves and tree trunks. Now we see beige. This is a bucket of beige paint. It is placed in front of a soft sandy beach. Beige stones lie peacefully on the sand. Next, we have gold. Here is a bucket with shiny gold paint. In the background, there are sparkling gold lights. They shine bright and look amazing. Now we look at silver. This bucket is filled with silver paint. Behind it is shiny silver metal. It sparkles beautifully in the light. Next, we have cream. This bucket contains cream paint. It stands with a soft cream-colored wall behind it. White roses add elegance to this scene. Finally, we see turquoise. This is a bucket of turquoise paint. It is in front of a tropical ocean. The turquoise water sparkles and invites us to swim. Thank you for watching and learning colors with us. Remember these beautiful colors and enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.